you pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I giving you take. Youngblood, see you want me, out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Alissa, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video for you on whatever day this is being posted. So I'm pretty sure if you're at the title of this video, the reason why you're watching this is because I did a makeup look inspired by Youngblood by 5 Seconds of Summer that is coming out tomorrow. I think it's already out on like Spotify by the time this is being posted. It's been out on Spotify. But I think the actual album on like iTunes and like in stores coming out tomorrow. I would film an album reaction, but I'm actually going to be out of town this weekend. I'm not going to be here to film anything. So I thought to compromise, I would make a makeup look. I wanted to do it yesterday too, but I was too lazy to get out of bed. So yeah, this look is very dewy, glowy. It's not full coverage. Even if it looks full coverage, it's literally just concealer. I just spot concealed because I don't want to do full face because my pimples are coming back and I want to die. If you like this look and you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting out taking my Badescu green tea spray just to hydrate my face. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the shade medium brown, and I'm filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade light medium, and I'm carving out my brows. Now I'm going in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot as an eye primer and putting it all over my lids. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette and I'm taking the colors as shown, and I'm taking this light purple shade and putting it in my crease and then blending it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this darker purple pink and putting it in my crease and on my inner and outer third. And then I'm taking a blending brush to blend those two colors together. Now I'm taking this deep purple shade at the bottom of the palette and focusing that mainly right on my crease and in the inner and outer third of my eye. Now I'm taking a blending brush and blending them all together. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35O palette and I'm taking this orange shade and putting it in the center to create a halo. Now back into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this yellow shade and I'm putting it in the center of my eye. Now going in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Abused. I'm using it as a liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to do my other eye off camera. Now I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Prime Spray to prime my face, and then I'm going in with my Milani Color Correction Palette to put all over my face to cover my redness, my dark circles, and my places that don't get pigment. Now I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape again, this time in shade Deep Tan, and I'm using that to cover my face and my pimples and my deep bags. Now going back into my 35B palette, I'm taking the red shade and smudging that under my waterline. And now I'm just taking the same blending brush and blending it out. Now taking my e.l.f. eyelash curler, I'm curling my lashes to put on falsies, taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and coating my lashes. I put on Lashes Malibu from Morphe off camera, and now I'm taking my e.l.f. bronzer palette and bronzing up my face. Now taking my Milani Peach Sparkly Blush, I'm putting that on the apples of my cheeks. Now going back in with the lash curler and mascara, I'm curling my falsies and my real lashes together and then coating the top and bottom with mascara. Now going into my Anastasia Nicole Guerrero highlight palette, I'm taking the shades Kitty Cat and Forever Lit, and highlighting my entire face, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, everything imaginable. Now I'm going in with my NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel and setting my eyebrows in place. And now I'm taking my Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Raw Chocolate and putting it on my lips. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Morphe Prep and Set Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite song from the album or anything you want to comment. If you like this look, if you don't like this look, any other look you want me to do, literally anything, leave it down below. But if you like this video and if you like me, please hit my big red subscribe button because I post videos once a week and they get lit. I hope you guys enjoy Youngblood the album. I'm very excited to listen to it. I've only listened to 3 songs. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And Louis Thomas loves you. I love you too. Bye guys!